Hey guys, what's up? Hey.
Hi.
We got a mask. Yeah. Hey, guess what Santa's bring me today? I didn't know Santa Claus is good to me too, huh? Look at here. I found this in the freezer, in the refrigerator. A Mountain Dew to get my day. Oh, see? There we go. So it's a surprise where we're going. I love it, I love it.
That was my dad's intro. Here's my intro. I literally don't have one because I don't know what we're doing today because my mom has not revealed anything. So we're just kind of following where she leads us. So
I did get TJ those ingredients for the cookies. So he's most likely gonna be making cookies.
TJ, Mark's roommate, apparently I already tasted some of the food he's cooked. Apparently he's a really good cook. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty good. He wants to bake the family cookies. So we're gonna get some of these cookies that he says is gonna be amazing. So I'm looking forward to that. So we got some plans here and then maybe we'll get some cookies later. So see you at the next stop, wherever that's gonna be. The first surprise was this big lake where we are going to geocache. Me and Mark got round 3. Mark won the first round in New Orleans. I won the second round in New Orleans. This will be a continuation. You can have this one, Mark. I ain't going to that person's house to find a geocache. Well, Mark found it sure enough, and he signed his geocache.
Riding my horse.
Official geocache, no pin, but hey, let's go.
Alright, Daddy found it. No pin, but who is today? It's me.
All right, we all tied. Mark found one, I found one, my dad found one. My dad said it best. You decide who won. Comment.
Matthew pick up poop.
It was an accident. How was I supposed to know that wasn't a geocache? Geocaches are green. So I was like, oh, a bag. And then I started opening it up and I was like, oh man, that's not a geocache. But yeah, so comment. Who do you think won? Me, my brother, or my dad? Also, my drone controller broke, so that's why you haven't seen any drone footage in a bit, because my controller broke. I'm gonna try to get a new controller as soon as I can. Right now, a little tight on money, so I haven't been able to do that, but I will get my drone up in the air one of these days. We also are playing a little putt-putt for the time's sake of the video. Probably won't put it in this video, but we are playing a little putt-putt. Probably won't film too much, but I'll at least tell you that I won or if I lost. We just finished the miniature golf course. I probably came in last place once again, but I had the most hole-in-ones, which I haven't made a hole-in-one in forever, and I got 3 today. Which is crazy because I don't remember the last time I got a hole-in-one. So that's pretty cool. I think I still lost overall, but hey, I got some hole-in-ones, so I'm happy. I think TJ, Mark's roommate, has baked some cookies, so we're gonna go to the apartment and get some cookies. Let's head over there. TJ made us some cookies. What kind of cookies are they?
Oh, they're peanut butter cookies. And
Peanut
I
butter.
coated them with sugar so that way they taste better.
Oh, yes. He knows just how I like it. I'm gonna try one of TJ's cookies. Here we go.
Alright, this one.
Yep. Eat it in the camera.
Eat it. Oh, there's a camera. Always a camera.
Yeah. Oh, it's a bummer. Got it. With my amazing desk.
These are good. There's one more geocache for the tie break. Never seen you run so fast in your life. Mark one of the geocaches. This will probably be the end of this video. Tomorrow we're going to Universal, so it may be a longer video just because there's probably gonna be a lot more to film at Universal, but we're gonna go to Universal tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it. I'll see y'all tomorrow.